Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Alright, so I've shown you how I steam this rice just now. I'm putting it into a bigger container because I'm going to do something with it. I'll show you shortly. So I'm going to make egg fried rice today. There's no rule as to what ingredient you want to put in inside your egg fried rice. Today, I'm going to choose Chinese sausage and also choy sum. Now, Chinese sausage, usually it comes with a stick, and then there is actually a very thin film wrapping the Chinese sausage. Most people, actually my family, will prefer to remove it. Actually, it's very easy to remove. Just soak the whole Chinese sausage under water for about 2 minutes. Then you can just remove the very thin film very easily. Okay, so after that, I will cut into small pieces like this. This is actually used what we call the gun dao. Okay, gun dao meaning you cut, every time you cut, you actually turn it a little bit. Cut, turn it a little bit. This is what we call gun dao. And I have some chopped shallot, chopped garlic. Egg fried rice, definitely you need egg. I have 3 eggs here, chicken egg. And also I have some homemade garlic oil and also homemade fried garlic, just to add up the fragrance. So first thing first, let's make the egg fried rice golden color even before you cook them. That is to use the egg to help you. I'm going to put in, this is egg yolk. Okay, I'm going to put in 2 egg yolk here and leave 1 behind. And besides the egg yolk, I'm also going to put in about 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. By having these two, number one, it is going to, I'm sorry, I'm going to use my hand here, but I wash it. Do this gently to mix the rice nicely with the egg yolk together with the garlic oil. So why is it we are doing this? Number one, immediately, even before you start cooking, your egg already is, your rice is going to be golden in color already. Golden in color. Number two, the garlic oil is going to help to infuse the flavor of the garlic smell, garlic aroma into your rice grain, yeah. And then by putting these two in, it is going to because by having the egg yolk, the egg yolk will actually get cooked faster than the rice. So by having the egg yolk coating your rice grain, it can actually help to cook the surface of your rice faster, so that your rice will not end up like lumps, yeah. Because as you all know, Chinese fried rice is all about each individual grain has to be separate and fluffy. So this is the reason why you want to add in the egg yolk to help you to achieve this separate individual rice grain as early, as easy as possible. So, but remember, when you are mixing this, the rice is actually very soft, so you cannot do it. You have to do it very gently. Yeah, you have to do it very gently. Okay, it's almost done, and you will notice we already have a golden fried rice even before I start cooking. Right? And you will notice the moment when, especially with the help of the garlic oil added just now, the moment when I put it into a wok later, it will be very easy to stir fry. Very, very easy. It will not lump up together. Right, beautiful golden color. Let me adjust the angle for you. See how beautiful it is? Right, today I'm using Chinese sausage, and it is always a good idea if you can saute your Chinese sausage a bit. Give it a little bit of oil. Just quickly saute the Chinese sausage. Oh, I haven't on the heat yet. This is some fried egg. So just saute this for about a minute, then you can actually take it out. Right, this is after about a minute sauteing. You have charred the Chinese sausage a little bit, which is enough. Put it to the side. I'm putting in the shallot and garlic. So now the oil is also flavored with the sausage, which is more fragrant. We will come back shortly after about a minute. Right, you can start to see some the garlic and onion turn a bit brownish. Push it to the side. We still have some egg just now. We can flavor the egg with a little bit of light soy sauce. Let it stay for a while. Okay, you don't have to do this. I just got nothing to do. Can put the onion and garlic on the top of the fish, of the egg, sorry. Okay, now you can actually break the egg. A little bit char because of the light soy sauce added just now, and also the heat. So I'm going to put in the fried rice. This is the rice. See, you can feel it's actually very easy to stir fry. And immediately it's already golden in color. Going to put in the veggie, the choy sum. I'm putting in more stems, yeah, and also the what is this? The Chinese sausage. Fried garlic, light soy sauce, now I'm going to raise the heat. Every time you want to add some ingredient, you can lower down the heat like what I just did just now, so that you won't get char. There's a phone call coming in, never mind. I'm cooking right now, please call me later. Right, I haven't added in the salt. Okay, 1 pinch of salt and a little bit of sugar. And I'm going to add in some little bit of white pepper. It is almost done, yeah? Okay, right before serving, I'm going to add one more round of garlic oil. Just approximately 1 tablespoon enough. Okay. Alright, it's done. Our egg fried rice is done. And you're going to taste the crunchiness of the veggie. I'm going to dish it out. So here's my egg fried rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.